Hello, my little stars, and welcome back to Tiny Talk Time. Today, we're exploring a topic everyone loves: food. Yummy, delicious, magical food. And we'll practice English together while talking about your favorite meals, snacks, and treats. Leo is already here, smiling like he's ready to eat everything in the world. Leo, are you excited?
Oh, yes, Miss Lily. I'm super excited. I love food, especially when it's tasty and colorful. Today, I want to talk about my favorite food and learn how to say all the words in English. I'm hungry just thinking about it.
Oh dear, then this will be a fun episode. Kids, today we're learning how to describe what you love to eat. We'll use simple expressions like, my favorite food is, or I love to eat, and also discover food words like pizza, pasta, ice cream, bananas, rice, chicken, and even vegetables. Are you ready to learn, Leo?
Ready! Let's go!
Perfect. Let's begin with the big question. Leo, what is your favorite food in the whole universe?
Oh, my favorite food is pizza. Pizza with cheese, tomato sauce, and crunchy crust. I can say, my favorite food is pizza.
Wonderful! Kids, repeat it with us. My favorite food is pizza. Remember to speak slowly and clearly. Now, Leo, can you tell me why you like pizza?
Because it's yummy and warm and it smells so good. I love when the cheese melts and stretches. Can I say, I love to eat pizza?
Absolutely. That's perfect English. I love to eat pizza. Now, let's explore the magic of describing food. When we talk about food, we can describe taste: sweet, salty, crunchy, soft, spicy, or creamy. Let's try. How would you describe pizza?
Pizza is salty and soft and crunchy at the same time. Is that okay?
That's amazing, Leo. Kids, try describing your food too. Leo.
Miss Lily, can we talk about other yummy foods? I want to say more things.
Of course. Let's talk about breakfast foods. Leo, what do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like eggs. Scrambled eggs. They're soft and warm. I also like bananas because they are sweet. So I can say, I like eggs and bananas for breakfast.
Very good. Kids, repeat after us. I like eggs. I like bananas. That's how you practice simple English sentences every day. Try saying it with confidence. Leo, what's your favorite food?
Oh, Lily, teachers can have favorite foods too. My favorite food is pasta. I love creamy pasta with mushrooms. It's soft, warm, and delicious.
Now I'm hungry again. Don't worry, little star. We still have more words to learn. Now let's talk about lunch. Kids, repeat this sentence. For lunch, I like to eat rice and chicken.
For lunch, I like to eat rice and chicken. Miss Lily, that's what I eat at home.
That's wonderful. You can also say, I eat rice. I eat chicken. Simple phrases build strong English skills. Now, let's talk about vegetables. Some kids love them, some don't.
Vegetables. I like carrots. They're crunchy.
Perfect. Carrots are crunchy. You can say, I like carrots.
And broccoli. I don't like broccoli. Can I say that?
Yes, of course. You can say, I don't like broccoli. Kids, remember, it's okay to have foods you don't like. Just express it politely. Leo.
Miss Lily, what about snacks? I love snacks.
Great idea, Leo. Snacks are fun to describe. Kids, listen. Snacks can be sweet, salty, crunchy, or soft. What snack do you like, Leo?
I like cookies, especially chocolate cookies. They're sweet and crunchy.
Beautiful. Say it slowly. My favorite snack is cookies.
My favorite snack is cookies.
Excellent. Now, kids, think about your favorite snack. Say it out loud. My favorite snack is...
They're probably saying ice cream. I bet half of them love ice cream.
Maybe. Ice cream is cold, creamy, and sweet. You can say, I love ice cream. Leo.
Miss Lily, what about drinks? Can we talk about drinks?
Of course. Drinks are important too. Leo, what's your favorite drink?
Juice. Orange juice.
Perfect. Say, my favorite drink is orange juice.
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Wonderful. Kids, try saying, I like water. I like milk. I like juice. Leo.
Miss Lily, can we do a food challenge?
Oh, I love challenges. Let's do it. I will say a sentence, and you must repeat it correctly. Ready?
Ready.
I eat apples.
I eat apples.
Great. Now, I like warm soup.
I like warm soup.
Wonderful. Now, something a bit harder. My favorite food is spaghetti because it's delicious.
My favorite food is spaghetti because it's delicious.
Very close, Leo. You're amazing. Kids, remember, practice makes you stronger every day. Leo!
Miss Lily, I want to tell the kids a sentence.
Go ahead, little star.
Kids, you can say, I love food.
That's the perfect sentence to finish our practice. But we still have a surprise. Let's make a food rhyme. Ready, Leo?
Yes!
Miss Lily, when you eat your favorite treat, say the words nice and sweet. Pizza, pasta, fruit so bright. Learning English feels just right.
I love that rhyme.
I'm so happy. Now, kids, before we finish, let's review. My favorite food is pizza. I like bananas. I don't like broccoli. I like cookies. My favorite drink is juice.
Wow! We learned so many things today.
Yes, Leo! And kids, you can learn even faster if you practice every day.
Lily, can they tell us their favorite food too?
Absolutely! Kids, tell us in the comments what is your favorite food.
Yes! Write it down.
And before we go,
Don't forget,
we miss you!
like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment so we can talk with you.
You're all shining stars! See you in the next episode of Tiny Talk Time.
Bye-bye, everyone.